Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering hardware. Plug the correct adapter, Lightning or USB-C, and make sure the interface has enough power. Bus-powered units may need a powered hub. Once done, install the manufacturer's app or compatible DAW on your phone. This ensures drivers and permissions are ready. Make sure to enable USB audio access in settings if prompted, and keep cables tidy to avoid accidental disconnects while you proceed. Now you connect the interface to your mobile and open the audio app. Plug the interface in with a short cable to minimize signal loss, then select it as both input and output inside app settings. Once selected, set the sample rate, 44. 1 kHz is standard, and choose a buffer that balances latency and stability. Reduce buffer for live monitoring, increase for recording. Make sure the app has microphone permissions, and that phantom power is enabled for condenser mics if needed. You finish by setting levels and confirming monitoring. Enable direct monitoring on the interface for a zero latency headphone mix, then test gain so peaks sit around -6 decibels full scale. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom. Once levels are set, record a short take and listen back. If you get no sound, make sure the adapter is compatible, the app has permissions, the interface has power, and consider a powered USB hub. This fixes most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.